Hello guys, regards from Korcula, Old Town. Today we are taking you to one more beautiful Croatian island, and with Mljet and Brač, this is one of the most beautiful islands in Croatia, Korcula.
Korčula is well preserved medieval walled city. It has a lovely old town with Venetian connections and narrow streets.
Ferry to Korčula goes from Pelješac town Orebić, and I think ferry goes every hour. This is the entrance to Korcula Old Town. The must-see are towers, city walls and narrow streets. Plus, here you have a lot of museums and 3 churches.
The entrance to the fortified old city walls, which surrounds the town in almost a perfect circle, which starts at the land gate and the Revelin Tower. This tower was constructed using the local stone in the 13th century. On the top of the Revelin Tower, you will notice the statue of the Lion of St. Mark, a nod to the town's Venetian influence. For those who don't know, the lion is the symbol of Venice. Our favorite thing to do when traveling is to go off the beaten path and just wander the streets. Korčula is the perfect place for this. You can wander the 26 narrow cobble streets, explore art and jewelry shops in the old town, and admire the outstanding architecture. For example, you can visit the majestic Gothic Baroque Cathedral of St. Mark, where the famous bell tower can be found. From here, you can enjoy the best views of Korčula. You can also visit the Venetian palace of the Gabrielis family, which now houses the town museum. The picturesque old town of Korčula is the heart of the beautiful Korčula island. It is full of history, culture, intrigue, and delicious seafood. Korčula is also known for its wines, such as the indigenous grape Pošev and the Grk grape, a fantastic dry white wine. The best way to describe this town is to call it a mini Dubrovnik. Korčula Island has been inhabited for centuries, and its culture and history can be seen everywhere you look. In fact, this part of Dalmatia has been ruled over by everyone from the Greeks to the Ottomans.
This house behind me, it's birthplace of Marco Polo. Many people don't know that Korcula is his birthplace.
Korčula was settled by the Greeks, who gave it its name. The largest influence on the development of the island came from the Venetians, who took over in the 14th century. A lot of the architecture and cultural influence is still well preserved today. Many traditional dishes are still popular, as well as some of the old vocabulary.
Korcula Old Town and only a couple of other places have a Michelin star restaurant in Croatia. We planned to go there and have a lunch, but unfortunately they are closed. They are opening only for dinners after 6 p.m. Guys, that's everything for this video from Old Town in Korčula. In the next video we will visit Vela Luka in Korčula too. Thank you for watching and see you next week. Bye!